got something. Oh my god. Monster. Alright. Well, it's around 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm about to take this kayak out and we're gonna go try to catch some snakehead. Let me go look at something. That is freaking muddy. Oh, my shoes. They're gonna get muddy. Of course, I only brought one pair of shoes here. Well, out here in a beautiful little marsh on the eastern shore, a little bayou on the eastern shore of Maryland. It's a really pretty morning. I wish these mosquitoes would stop biting and the fish would start biting. I'm just throwing a little frog. We're just gonna keep working our way around, see what happens. I had one bite, but he bit a little too shallow, probably a smaller fish. But I've seen one over here working in front of this tree, and that's really the only... Ooh. Decent fish with some size I've seen all day. You figure I should catch some bass and snakehead with this bait. Okay. Alright, I've had 2 bites on the frog. So I feel like the frog is not doing its job. I'm gonna change this bait because the frog is not working. 15 minutes later, tied a bait up. Well, we didn't get skunked today. We got us a white perch, but it's been rough this morning. It's been rough, little guy. It's about to rain on me. I only caught one little fish. I had 2 little baby hits on the frog, and that was about it. Nothing hit the popper, nothing hit the whopper plopper. Sometimes you succeed just when you don't fail, right? I'm pretty exhausted. I think it's been, golly, yeah, it's been 4 hours to catch one fish. That kayak is not comfortable. That's about as much as I can take of it. Well, I'm doing my good deed for the day. I found this dog walking down the road, and now I'm waiting because the person stopped and they said they think they know whose dog it is, and so they're gonna go get this dog's owner or something and go get this dog, hopefully. Slim?
Slim, yeah, Slim.
Slim. Alright, Slim the poodle, he made it home.
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. Don't walk in the road anytime soon. Yeah. Well, I was able to get the dog and get it back to its owner, so that's a good day. I'm gonna sit here and fish for a little bit. It's about to start raining. I got this snake charmer. This thing's pretty cool. Supposedly the snakehead bait. I was here earlier this morning. This is where I launched from. Oh, I had a turtle. A snapping turtle. Dang it. That turtle got me excited, boy. He bit good too. He bit really good. I tell you what, this bait is really good for turtles. I didn't know a snapping turtle would jump up and hit a topwater bait like that. Got a light drizzle. Alright. Get used to this crazy thing again. Yakking in a tropical storm for fun. Oh, I see the big problem though. See, when I was standing up there, I could see the bait like easy. Now I can't see it at all. Dude, look at that. Did you see that? Holy cow. There's some serious bait everywhere. I just had a piece of bait jump into the boat. Well, I see all the little bait feeding. What I don't see is the big fish feeding on the little bait. Dude, the water's like boiling out here. There's just bait everywhere. Oh yeah, I did get a fish. Look at that. Bait fish. That's what it is. Check that out. Yeah, that's like a menhaden. That's crazy. Oh, I'm gonna have to save that for later. I hooked him in the head. You know what? Let's see if there's anything eating these things. Something's making him jump over here. Let's go up here. See if we can figure out what's making him bust so hard. Alright, we're starting to rain again. Go hang under the bridge, I think. Yep. Ooh. Trying to fish the storm is not working out so hot. But it's a lot of fun. Alright. We stopped raining, more or less. And I see the fish splashing. So let's go try to catch them. A little drippy droppy, but nothing too bad. I sat here the other day watching. These fish are all by this culvert. Reel that in and go back under the bridge. Uh-oh. Alright, we gotta get back underneath this bridge here. Now it says 5% chance of rain. Now what are the odds I'm gonna stay in the 5% of that area the whole time? That's just crazy. Oh, come on. Get underneath this bridge. I got the jacked up rod in a rainstorm. Move back up into the pot. You got all kind of fish. I've been doing so good about not losing lures. Hopefully I don't lose this one. Ooh, I got something. Ooh, I think it's a big snakehead. Oh yes, that is a big snakehead. Don't come off. Don't come off. Don't come off. Ooh. Oh my god. Monster. Oh my god. That is a freaking monster. Holy balls. Don't come off. Don't come off. I need a bigger net. Thank God he's not in his mouth. Oh my God. Dude. Okay. Okay. Oh my God, dude. This thing is massive. Oh my God. This is a monster. Look, he does not fit in the net. He doesn't fit in the net. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I'm gonna have to knife him. Hell yeah! And that's why you work. Brother, that is no joke of a snakehead. Holy cow. Bro, I'm gonna try to lasso this thing up and drag it in like the old man in the sea. Dude, this thing is like a reptile. Wow. Oh, holy cow. Let me just tuck up. Oh. God dog, dude, after stabbing him, I caught him perfect though. All right, he's so big. I don't even know what to do. I don't want him to bite me. If I could just get him all tucked into that net, I think I can ride him like this. Yeah, there we go. I think I finally killed him. We coming out of here, baby. Yes, the victor. Victory. Victory. We hauling under the bridge, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 'Cause I'm living my best life. Yes, 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 yes. Living my best life. Dude, freaking jungles, man. Holy cow, holy cow, holy cow. Caught the alligator, baby. This sucker's like, I don't know. I think he's 25 to 30 inches long. That is a monster snakehead, dude. On a rod and reel? Come on. Come on. Yes, 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 yes. Woo! On the white frog. I think it's dead. Dude, this thing is a monster. When I tell you it's Thursday, this is the kind of stuff that happens to me on a Thursday. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. Tell me that's a snakehead. Good God, he's huge. Dude, this thing must weigh 10 pounds. I'm not kidding. That's mass. Dude, that's massive. Massive. Thor's Day, baby. That's how we do it on a Thor's Day. Thor's Day, Thor's Day, Thor's Day. Dude, he's 30 inches long. I'm not exaggerating. He might be more. God, I need a ruler. I need to start having measuring tape. Golly! Look at that hook set. It's right in his mouth to where he can't get the tie. He can't get the line. That sucker's huge, bro. 30 inches long or something. And he's kind of still alive. That's gonna do it for this video. Took me a couple days of working around here, figuring this spot out to be able to do that. Thanks for liking, sharing, subscribing. And you gotta be careful when you come to the jungles of Maryland, because you might get ate by a giant snakehead. All right, peace.